Oh.
Day 5.
I'm looking forward to
Day 5 to night 5.
in the mid at lunchtime.
Everybody's packing up.
I had 2 packets last night. 2.
Oh.
But that hot chili one. Oh.
And so we go. Tonight. Final night. Greg in the distance. He's still coming. This is the highest point for this one. Yeah.
Beautiful.
I know.
Mark or something there against
Hi. Well spotted.
I must go check that out. There's a plaque up here. Hoop. Let's see.
Gregorian!
4 Fingers Rock. Now you can see why they call it 4 Fingers. German grave. Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of people who died on this route. Or who did this thing and put a plaque here in remembrance.
Was it first?
Lieutenant!
Mood is good.
You guys do this?
Getting closer to the end.
Ja, kom. Oh ja, ja, ze heeft me ook vat geweest. Ik heb schoon vergeet van. Ah, fuck. Blijkbaar, zeg in je pad hier.
Nee? Lieutenant.
Blijkbaar is hij ooit geboren. Je kijkt er erg hier binnen.
Second time I pick up a bottle on the trail. I'll see. Maybe the owner is still up ahead. I think we are technically out of the canyon because I don't see any high slopes around me anymore. Except for these low cuts. Could that be the pink palace in the distance? Greg is still coming. A road crossing. To civilization in the distance. Pink. Okay, so now I see why they call it the Pink Palace. Apparently you could buy cokes and stuff here. Let's see. Okay, we'll get this in now. Manne, Pink Palace open. Open for business.
Unfortunately closed for today. It open tomorrow at 8 o'clock again. Nothing here.
Okay. Say. Krik, foto's by die rivier kom. Is jy storie om te vertel?
Nee.
Maar ek gaan nie na jou storie luister by die rivier nie.
Nee. Maar ek kan nie praat en loop nie wel.
They don't call this desert territory for nothing. Okay. Trail. Nice and steep up. That is something degrees. Ah man, these guys got lost and they do have a GPS. These guys wanted to lead us deep into the desert.
No man, no. We want to take a detour just for the
No!
scenery. Just for the scenery, man.
They wanted to kill us.
Kom hier manne, kom hier manne. Kom hier manne, kom hier manne.
Night 5 will be spent here on Bikini Beach. But I'll give you better footage of this place later on.
Ons trap deur die kloof waar die rotsblokke lê. My skoene is stukkend, my voete is seer. Die rots met 4 vingers gryp na my mou. Pas op vir die afgrond, fluister hy gou. Ons drink van die rivierwater hier. Heel is ek nou vir 'n koue bier. Bikini Beach sonder 'n meid in 'n bikini. Wat sal ek gee vir 'n dame in 'n mini? Geen voels en sug, maar jy hoor hulle kou. Rietie verdrink uit die gagse geriel. Dink Lidie het gevlug, want sy kon ons nie verdra. Die dooie man is steur om aan niks, hy lê net daar. Ons drink van die rivierwater hier. Hel is ek nou vir 'n koue bier. Bikini Beach sonder 'n meid in 'n bikini. Wat sal ek gee vir 'n dame in 'n mini? Die hitte is benauwd, maar ek weet wat wag. Nog 'n rivier wat ons moet kruis, dit gee ons mag. Nog 'n goeie man wat ons stuur aan niks. Nog 'n pink lady wat weer gaan vlug. Ons drink van die rivierwater hier. Hel is ek nou vir 'n koue bier. Bikini Beach sonder 'n meid in 'n bikini.